Good morning, Woodfield. Hope we're all doing really, really well. Okay, so I'm going to share a couple of videos this morning of what I'd like you to do today. I can only record for 5 minutes on my screen classifier, so I will do it probably in two 5-minute videos for you to watch, which you may need to go back over and watch the different steps, instructions of how to do what we're going to have a go at doing today. So you will have seen that last week I set you guys a virtual classroom, which had lots of different links and things that you could play on. And I can see some of the other teachers have started to set you some virtual classrooms as well, which is brilliant. This is my virtual classroom that is in my X1 class, which has got all the links that I feel that my X1 class need to have access to. I've been busy creating lots of virtual classrooms. So one of the other ones I've created recently is a virtual common room. This one I'll hopefully get out to you by the end of the week. And this is just a virtual fun room. So there's all the different games. So you'll click on the pool table, it'll take you to a game of pool. You'll click on the Xbox, it'll take you to some other games and stuff. So that's just a fun one. But I thought today we'd have a go at creating our own virtual room. A few of you have asked how I did it, and a few of the students are keen to create it. So I thought, well, let's show you a video of how to do it. Okay, so this video will stop, as I say, after 5 minutes, but then play the next one and it will pick up where we left off. Okay, so you're going to get this slide, but you need to click on the slide 2, which is blank. And you're going to start to create your own virtual room. It doesn't have to be a classroom. It can be any virtual room that you like. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to click on background and you're going to choose an image. Okay, so you can see I've already got in here floor and wall background. That's what you need to search. So you need to type in floor and wall background and you'll get all these different floor and wall backgrounds that you can choose. Okay, and they automatically go in. So today I'm going to use this one here with the pretty plant pot in there. And then I click insert and that will insert into our page and give us a nice background. There we go. Okay, so now we're ready to start to add things that we may want in our room. So the first thing that I'm going to put in here is I am going to put in a sofa. Okay, so something to sit on. So I'm going to go to insert, I'm going to go to image, and I'm going to search from the web. Now the most important word that you're going to need, okay, I'm going to put this in the description in some vocab for you, all right, but is the word transparent. Now anything that you search transparent, this will mean it won't have a background, okay. So for example, now I'm going to search transparent sofa, and all these sofas here will come up without any background. I'm going to go for this nice red one here. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to click on insert. I can just drag and drop it in as well if I want to. So I'm now going to make this the size that I want it to be. A little bit bigger than that, about there. And now I'm going to, I can flip it so I can move it into the other direction. Okay, so I'm going to move it this direction and I'm going to move it over to here. There's lots that we can do with these, anything that we put into Google Slides, okay, which is quite cool. We can replace the image, but we can go onto format image and we could even recolor our sofa if we wanted to. So I'm going to click on recolor and I'm going to make our sofa a nice grey color. Okay, so there is my sofa in my room, which I'm quite happy with where that is placed. Okay, next thing I'm going to try and put in is I'm going to put in a desk. Okay, so I'm going to go to insert, image, again, search the web, comes up with my last search, which is quite useful. So I don't need to re-spell the word transparent. Okay, so I'm now going to put transparent desk. And let's search for that. Oh, look, there's a nice one there. I'm going to put that one in. So I can click and insert, or I can just click and drag into the box. Again, with the word transparent, you won't get any background, you'll just get your desk in. So I'm going to put that in I'm going to put it just in front of the plant pot slightly, just around about there. Probably needs to be a little bit smaller, thinking about the size of my sofa. I think around about there. Now I might want some things to go on top of my desk.